Today, you will learn how to convert PDF to Word and edit text in just a few seconds. First, open Microsoft Word. Click on the File tab, then select Open from the left side. After that, click Browse and locate the PDF file you want to convert. Select your PDF file and click Open. A message will appear telling you that Word will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Simply click OK. Word will now process the file and automatically convert it into editable text. After a few moments, the PDF content will open in Word, and you can click anywhere in the document to edit the text just like a normal Word file. That's it! You've successfully converted a PDF to Word and can now make any changes you need without using any extra software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel,